Okay, I think it's time to start. Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, mesdames et messieurs, first let me wish you a warm welcome to the Collège de France for this symposium on the making of models for human embryos. The main role of this institution, as you may know, is to explain and disseminate the science in the making to any person in our society who likes to better understand the world. Now, this is particularly important when major scientific advances have a strong societal impact, either immediate or potential in the future. The work carried out on the production of mammalian embryo models, in particular human embryo models, over the past 5 years, certainly belongs to those scientific discoveries that may sometimes change some aspect of how we live and how we make sure that our genomes will continue to survive, hopefully for a few more generations. That is the reason why this symposium was organized, to provide an update of what is currently going on in this very active field of research. And for this, I'm absolutely delighted that those people who are actually leading the field have accepted to come to Paris to share their results and also their views on the importance of these new developments. I'm sorry, however, to say that Naomi Morris couldn't make it this morning due to natural reasons not unrelated to the topic of today. This was short an artist to organize a replacement, and therefore a little more time will be allocated to each speaker and also to the question session. The coffee break will be available in a room 4, which is 1 floor upstairs at the entrance. We can get some coffee there and have it outside in this beautiful cours. I also remind you that this afternoon the talks will be in French, as it is also important that this information be available online also for the usual national and international French-speaking public of the Collège de France. And last, and before I introduce the first speaker, let me thank the technical team, of course, for taking care of us this morning, and Madame Séverine Frima for having organized all the logistics behind this symposium. Now, let's start, and I'm, of course, very glad to introduce Alfonso Martínez-Arias from Barcelona. Alfonso had a first scientific life as a well-known Drosophila developmental geneticist that he mostly exerted in Cambridge, UK, but he decided then to change topic many years ago and became a leading expert in the field of mammalian stem cell biology. In the 2015s, his laboratory reported the production of a particular type of embryo model that he referred to as gastruloids, and this was a truly amazing contribution which he extended to using human ES cells some years after. Since then, such gastruloids have become a very popular study system for a variety of reasons, which I suspect he will tell us about. Indeed, they're used in a growing number of laboratories throughout the world and start to deliver lots of essential information that had not been possible to obtain before. Alfonso, as many of today's speakers, is also very much involved in ongoing reflections as to both how to classify and organize these various embryo models and what this means in terms of their ethical and legal status. I'm very happy that he's there today and that he accepted to start this session. Thank you very much.